Google products tend to work best when used together, like using Gmail with Google Drive Cloud Storage and productivity apps like Google Sheets. Sharing spreadsheets made in Google Sheets is becoming a necessity for some businesses, and even for personal use. But thankfully, not having a Gmail account doesn't necessarily mean that you won't be able to access apps like Google Sheets or Google Docs. You will, however, still need to have a Google account to use Google Sheets. While anyone can edit a document sent to them that was created by someone else using the shared link feature, actually creating a document in Google Sheets requires a standard Google account. That doesn't mean you need a Gmail account, though. In fact, Google has the option to create an account specifically without Gmail, using your standard email address instead. Head to accounts.google.com/signup-without-Gmail to get started. Make sure you input an email address that you have access to, no matter where it's hosted, as you'll need to confirm your email to actually use Google Sheets. Fill out the rest of the form as required, then head to your email address and follow the verification process. When you're finished, you'll have a Google account associated with your non-Gmail address. So, whenever you get a request to collaborate on a Google Sheet at that address, you can do so from that Google account. If signing up for a new Google account for just one purpose isn't something that you want to do, you can instead add an alternate email address to your existing Google account. To do so, log onto your existing Google account by heading to accounts.google.com. Then access email settings by heading to myaccount.google.com/email. Click the Advanced tab, then click Add Alternate Email. Sign in again using the same account credentials if prompted, then enter your non-Gmail address into the pop-up box. Once done, click Add. You will then see a pending verification page, and your alternate email address will receive a verification link sent by Google. Upon verification, you will be able to use it in conjunction with your existing Google account. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Google Sheets and other technology. And do not forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.